Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I thought giving you an idea about creating drop downs in Excel. In Excel we can create different drop downs so that users can easily enter their details. When you are entering the data, it will be easier when you keep selecting these drop downs. Let me show you how. First, I'll go into data. We have data validations here. Today I am using Microsoft O365. So if you have that is data validation. So I am going to put my regions in here. So what I am going to do is I am going into data validations. I'll pick list here and my input list. Right now, okay, now you can select these data, right? So I am going to do a little advanced lesson now, right? Now we have all these things, right? So I am making color here, so you know we have this. So let's say if you want to pick Europe and then only you want to see these two countries only. Let's say if you pick Europe, you can see only UK and France. You don't want to see other countries, right? So how do we do that? In that case, let me show you how to do that. So I'm putting it as level 1 for easy understanding, right? And this is level 2 and level 3. So I'm going to do a little advanced version of it. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a name range, right? And here I'm picking all these four regions and I'm going into formula and we have create from selection. I'm selecting these regions and I'm going to say that's level 1, right? Level 1. I'm using underscore because in naming ranges you can't use spaces, so I'm using level underscore 1, right? Now we have level 1. So when I'm selecting my first level, what I'm going to do is I'm going into my data validation again and pick this one. I'm putting list here as my source. I'll be giving that name level underscore 1, right? Let's see how it is going to work. Okay, see, now you got these regions. Now I am trying to get to level 2, so which is depending on level 1 selection, right? So what I am going to do is I am going to select this one and again I am going to create a name range. In formula I am now using create from selection. So we have created the name ranges. We have Asia, Europe, North America, South America, right? Now one more thing to be done here. North America has to be North underscore America. South America has to be North underscore America, right? Let me show you. Now we have these countries. Now when it comes to level 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going into data validations. It's in data validations. For that, I will have to designate this C11 cell as indirect to this one, right? So how I'm going to do it is I'm going into data validation, again list, and this time it equals indirect. I'm using indirect formula and closing the bracket, and inside the brackets I'll be giving C11, right? Because I just wanted to fix my freeze my column C, that's why I used the dollar mark. So I said okay now, right? Now what? Let's see what will happen. Asia. So you can see only India and Sri Lanka. If you choose, let's say, Europe, you will see UK, France, right? See, we have created dependent list, right? Now let's say if you have a third level, now you selected UK. Once you select the UK, you will have to go into these 3 cities only, right? Now if you want to create that, we are following the same thing. What we are going to do is, again we go into formulas. We will create selection using these and create from selection. So we will pick top row, that is our main selection. So we make it and we can see our levels are created here. And here again we will go into data validations, and here list, and here I am again typing in direct, having my brackets. This time it will be D11, right? Now I want to fix my column D if I want to drag my formula. So I'm fixing my D column and say OK. Let's see what will happen now. Now that is UK. Let's see London, Manchester, Bristol, right? Now let's say if it is France, we can see Paris, Lyon, right? Let's say if we pick Asia and here we pick India, see Delhi and Chennai, right? Let's say we'll select Chennai, right? Now you have seen how we are going to create dependent list, dependent drop downs, so that will be very easier for people to input data. This will avoid any typos and all that inaccurate data entry. So hope you have learned something out of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos and contents, do like us, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you. Bye for now.